welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something that I don't usually do, which is a monthly favorites. Because I'm not someone who buys enough makeup to have technically monthly favorites, I don't usually do these videos. But in the summer, you're maybe using different products, and these are the products in July that I have been using the most, which have withstand the heat, sweating, summer fun. So let's get right into it. So we're starting with the base. I usually use the MAC's Face and Body all the time, but I have been using MAC Studio Radiance a bit more. It is a very glowy, medium to full coverage foundation. I'm just trying to use it a bit more. It's not something I always lean towards. And what I've been doing is I've been mixing it with the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum. Because this, here, I'll show you. This is a great bronzer for like winter because it has a really neutral undertone. This is in light. And as you can hopefully see, it really blends out to almost nothing, but it's still there. Anyway, so it just thins out the formula of the foundation and adds a bit of bronzingness because as the summer goes on, you know, your face gets a little bit more tanned. So it helps match it to my skin tone better for the summer. It makes it nice and light, but it still stays on really beautifully. In a way that I like to help it stay on is using MAC Studio Fix. This is dirty, ignore that. But Mattify 12-hour shine control. I find that this still lets like glow through the skin. It's not a flat matte base, but this just helps everything really grab onto the skin. It helps your blush last longer, bronzer, foundation obviously. Love this one. I'm just gonna kind of do everything all together. Kind of like face products, lip products. I don't have too much, but anyways. And then I have the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is the second tube I've bought. I'm pretty sure the first one lasted me over a year and I use it a lot, so I really love it. I don't have any in right now. I just got my eyebrows dyed and tweezed, so they're very fresh and bold right now. I love how you can it's like a flat brush, so you can really brush those eyebrow hairs to the skin. It creates a fluffy brow where it's gonna hold it in place, but not a laminated look. And I've just been enjoying that look a bit more fluff. It's been really beautiful. So this is a newer product, so I don't really know. Like I've only had it for a few days, but it is one of my favorites. It's a little dirty, and I hope it's not like blinding you. It's the Hourglass Vanish Air Pressed Press Powder. I don't even know if I said that right. So it's a pressed powder. This has replaced my Charlotte Tilbury powder, which I've had for a very long time. Finally used it all up. I was looking at reviews online and it said that this one was like best rated. And I've got to say, I'm not a huge powder person. I've bought quite a few over the years and I find it usually makes my skin look really dry, cakey. This is absolutely stunning. Like look at my face right now. It's so beautiful, nice movement, but very airbrushed. Like here, I'm gonna get super close, a little obnoxiously close, but look how stunning that is. And it's a really nice pack, so you can take it with you. It's light. I love this. Let's go to cheeks, because cheeks are really fun for the summer. This is MAC Go Play. This is in Blush Please. This is a shade I've had in previous years. I just found I was really missing a really good neutral blush for my skin tone. It has a bit of rosiness, but it's so beautiful on the skin. It has this cool like putty texture. Gotta be careful not to get hair in this though, like animal hair or fluff from your brushes. It has like movement. It's like a satin finish, I would say. Really unique. This is almost like a base blush I always put on. It's so beautiful. And you know, one of my favorite blushes is the Nude Sticks SPF Liquid Blush. This is in Pink Sunrise. I don't think I've been saying any of the names or colors. Oh well, if I haven't said a product's name, it will be in the description, so don't fret. This is a lot cooler on my skin tone now that it's summer. I found in the winter it wasn't as cool and like fresh from what the pictures on the Nude Sticks website says. It's very glowy. It's so beautiful. I'm really happy to have this. And then you get a little extra SPF on your cheeks. I made a video asking if I should return this Milk Makeup jelly tint. No one commented, but anyways, I decided to keep it because it's really fun and it's a beautiful color, that like jelly texture. There's a few shorts, so I'll link them in this video of how I like to use this. I like to use it with a brush, put it on my cheeks, and it's really beautiful on the lips with some other colors. It has a nice smell. I find people aren't talking about them as much anymore. They should. These went viral for a reason. I love them. I'll put in the description or up in the corners of the shorts that I've done with this lip combo. But what I do is I add Stone, which is this taupe cool tone brown, and I just do it kind of on the cupid's bow and then under my bottom lip in the center to make them look nice and pouty. I don't really like pressure blend it out so it's not too noticeable. Then I add my jelly tint on my lips, really get it in there. I add a little bit more of the lip pencil to sandwich it in. And then this is one of my favorite lipsticks, but Make Break in Fenty, by Fenty, excuse me. It's this gorgeous nude latte sparkly deliciousness. I know they came out with some new lip shines from the reviews. I think these ones are going to be better. So hydrating, feels beautiful on the lips, and it's just a stunning combo. I haven't been using as much highlight. In the summer, your skin's just kind of naturally glowy, but I do still love the Pretty Pearls by Fenty Beauty. In the summer, like using this on your eyelids, if you use your bronzer, put it in the crease, a little bit of your highlighter, it makes it look so natural, but you just have like a little extra going on your face. I love this formula. It's a very natural, soft highlight. It's not too crazy, very approachable. I'm trying to do more with my eyes. I find usually I like to go lots of blush or like a bold lip, which I have today on the Ilia Night Bloom. I did get a compliment on it. I find a lot of people online are like, oh, I got the compliments on my perfume. I got compliments on this. This is true. I'm not just saying it. Got a compliment on this. I'm trying to use more eyeliner, eyeshadow. I'm trying to find my own look with it. So one of my favorites, Costa Riche. It's a very, oh, this is from MAC. It's a very red brown, really warm. I think it's beautiful with any eyes, but really makes my blue eyes pop. And I really like to smoke it out, then add a little bit more along the lash line. So it's almost like eyeshadow with liner. What I've also been really loving to do is do a little bit of tight line under my top eyelid, underneath the lash line, really hug it, and then a little on the inner corner, and then itty bitty on the outside, and then I use my finger and kind of drag that line out. This is the Sephora Collection 12-hour colorful crayon waterproof. I think I didn't realize how quick these was set when I first bought them. They don't budge, totally waterproof. They're great for that. I find as like a novice makeup enthusiast, that's a little bit hard if I want to put it on the outside, like not in my waterline. I find it doesn't give me enough time to play with it and like fix my mistakes. That's why I don't gravitate towards these all the time, but it's something that I'm using a lot in July, so take it how you like it. I don't know. Okay, lip products. Because I've been using a lot more lip products this month. My favorite, the one I've been using the most, is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Cherry. Smells so good. I wear this with no makeup. I wear this with makeup. I sometimes put it on top of a lip like this, a matte lip. It smells divine, like Starbursts. And what's nice, I'll show you, you can really sheer it out. So on a no makeup day, like it's just a hint of color on your lips, really natural. Or if you have a bit more makeup on, you know, you do a second layer, and then you're gonna get that really pretty pinky red, cherry red. Oh, and it smells so good. And then your lips are moisturized too. It's a good time. Something that I've been putting on while I go to work is the Benetint. I love this. Then putting this on top, it creates a really beautiful juicy red color. This has a rose scent that I love so much. I don't know, I think it's so tasty. I bought this last summer, so I gotta get using it more because I'm a third of the way through. I do love it as a blush, love it as a lip tint. With this, I feel like I'm some sort of Greek goddess. I hope that's not too weird to say. We're friends here, right? I can say that. It's just, it's natural, but it's a little bit more done up. It looks really nice with any sort of gloss over it. I love this stuff. It's so good. Lip butters and butter balms, lip balms, you know, whatever the company decides to call it, are so in right now. And this one from Nude Sticks in Dolce Nude is delicious. It has a caramel cinnamon It's very warm scent, and it's one of the most beautiful colors. Lots of shine. There's some sparkle in there. This is also really nice on a no makeup day. The only thing I'll say about this one is it sinks into the lips quicker than this one. Like, this will stay on top, continue to give you that like shiny, juicy lip while also conditioning. Or I'd say this formula really sinks into the lips quickly, hydrates them fantastically. But if you're looking for something that's going to stay glossy, Summer Fridays might be a better option. I think when I'm done this one, I would just get clear maybe, because I like when, if it has color, like stay on my lips, you know what I mean? And this one is almost done. Like, I think it's done. This is the MAC Like Squirt, crazy name, plumping lip gloss stick. These were so popular last summer. They have a really nice like vanilla minty scent. And then, so they come in these slight hues to change the color that you got going on your lips. So I believe the green neutralizes whatever color you have. So if something's pulling to cool tone, you know, you can use this and it will neutralize it really nicely. They have a blue one, so I think for winter that might be fun to try. Make everything more cool tone. They also have really beautiful browns that I might try, or a clear maybe, because this formula over any lipstick, it doesn't make it bleed. It's really beautiful. And like, come on, it's a brat summer. So this is a new body lotion that I've been trying, the Avien, I don't know if that's how you say it, but the Extra Calm body lotion. It has a really beautiful, fresh spa scent, I would say. It's not like oh, here, I'll show you a bit. It's very serum textured. It's not a cream or a lotion. It's really nice at like, if you got, you know, in the summer, sometimes your feet get really dry because you're outside, maybe you're at the beach. This really helps lock in moisture. It's so beautiful. And then you get this like gorgeous shine and you smell fantastic. I know that was really quick, but it's true. I just, I think I'm getting better at talking quick in these videos, getting my point across, hopefully. So is there any like summer hero products that you've been using recently? I gotta say, I've been more happy with my makeup recently. I think I've been wearing a little more, especially once I started doing this combo. I've been really enjoying just the look, what I've got going on. Okay, one last thing. I've been using the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato fragrance. I bought this, I think the spring sale, and this is such a summer scent. It's very sweet, vanilla, rum, pistachio, gelato. Kind of smells like sunscreen in the most expensive, delicious way. It is very nice, and I do want to use it up before summer ends because it is just such a summer fragrance. This was totally worth it. I thought maybe I'd made a mistake by buying it, but it just needed the weather, you know? It needed the sun and the heat for it to really shine on the skin. But those are my favorites for July. Yeah, what a month. I don't know, August is a pretty good month too, so I'm excited to see what's in store. Please comment down below if you enjoy any of these products as well. Subscribe, follow along, please. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.